Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious, juicy, and perfectly spiced Seekh Kababs right at home. This is a simple recipe with amazing flavor, so let's get started. First, take 400 grams of beef keema, minced beef, in a mixing bowl. Now we will add the spices one by one. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon ginger powder. Now add 1 teaspoon mint powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper for a nice kick. After that, add half teaspoon red chili powder and salt to taste. To help bind the kebabs, add 1 tablespoon gram flour, besan, and then 1 teaspoon olive oil for moisture and flavor. Now mix everything very well using your hands until the mixture becomes smooth and fully combined. Once mixed, cover the bowl and let it rest for some time so the flavors can blend perfectly. After resting, take a portion of the mixture and shape it onto Seekh sticks, pressing gently to form long kebabs. Next, heat a grill pan and lightly grease it with a little oil. Place the kebabs on the pan and cook them on low to medium flame, turning occasionally, until they are fully cooked, juicy inside, and beautifully golden on the outside. And that's it! Your homemade Seekh Kababs are ready to serve. Enjoy them hot with chutney, salad, or naan. Happy cooking!